So today, bago tayo pumunta sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan Underground River, let's try some zip line. This is an 800-meter zip line, and this is the view. So the zip line will start from there. It's gonna go all the way to the other side. So, I don't like heights. Bakit ko gagawin to sa sarili ko? Di ko alam. Kasi they say it's more fun in the Philippines, so let's go! So, dito sa next step, bago tayo mag-zipline, we're gonna do a short trek. So we are doing this short documentation of our trip because we just want to keep memories, and hindi naman tayo laging nagta-travel, so I think this is a good way to keep memories. Again, we are on our way to the 800-meter zip line here in Palawan. The zip line is going to run from the top of this mountain where we are trekking right now down to the beach. So dadaan siya literally sa gitna ng dagat. This is the starting point. And then doon yung bagsak niya. You can see sa mini island na yaan. Safety first. We have our safety gears. Safety gears on. It's my turn. It's my turn. Cellphone inside.
Then, wag niyo pong hawakan yung cable. Ma'am, dito lang pong hawak natin. Ma'am, wag niyo pong ididikit yung mukha niya dito. Ma'am, baka tumama po. Baka bumago po kasi yung lakas ng hangin. Nakatalikod po kayo pag landing, tumama po yung mukha niya dito. Then, hawakan niyo ma'am maigi ma'am ha. Medyo may kunting pa kami sa brake sa landing. Ready na po?
Okay.
1,
Encourage myself, right? Thank you, Palawan. Thank you, Philippines. Thank you, world. Mabilis lang to. Enjoy the ride. Ang ganda ng Palawan. Ayan na, malapit na ba ako sa patutunguhan ko? I think I suggest this should be the new way of transport to Iloilo. Alam mo ba ako? Ay, papunta ako sa islang maliit. Ayan. It's only by the grace of God na buhay pa itong gadget ko later on. Hindi pa tapos ang vlog na to. Ayan na. At, the water is so clear, guys. Siyempre kanina kabado tanggalan mo sa'yo. Hindi lang, guys. Ay, may sundo ako. Hello, kuya. Wow. That was fun. Ito ang zipline na may sundo. Yan, so dito tayo bumagsak sa Mabatong Isla. Saan tayo galing? Doon.